Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4, and our today's topic is Chapter 9, C.B.Q 3. Our today's lecture number 38. In this class, we will solve one C.B.Q, and at first I am reading the question of C.B.Q. You are told to listen the question carefully. Here the question is 0.881, 0.889, 0.895 are some decimal numbers, and 3 by 10, 27 by 100, 341 by 1000 are some fractions. A number question, do addition in vertically of one expression. B number question, express the expression 1 as fractions, and C number question, express the expression 2 as decimal. At first we will solve A number question. Here some numbers are given and we have to add the number, and the numbers are given in as decimal form. Here given numbers are 0.881, 0.889, 0.895. Now we have to add these three numbers. Now 0.881, 0.889, and another number is 0.895. Now we have to add these three numbers. At first 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. From 15 we will write 5 carrying 1. Now 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18, 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. From 26 we will write 6 carrying 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18, 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. And we have to give decimal sign in the line of decimal sign. That means after 3 digits. And our answer will be 2.665. Okay, now we have solved B number question. In B number question, we have to express the expression 1 as fraction. In expression 1, some decimal numbers are given and we have to convert the number into fraction. Here the given decimal numbers are given decimal numbers are 0.881, 0.889, and another one is 0.895. Now we have to convert these numbers into fraction. Now here 0.881. You know that in a fraction there are two parts. Upper portion is called numerator and lower portion is called denominators. At the time of converting a decimal numbers to fractions, we have to write the given number in as a numerator without giving decimal sign. So numerator will be 881, and in denominators instead of decimal sign we have to give 1. And now after decimal sign, here how many digits exist? 1, 2, 3. So we have to give 30 besides 1. 1, 2, 3. That means 881 by 1000 is the fractional form of this 0.881. Now 0.889 is equal to, here 889 you have to write as numerator 889, and after decimal sign here 3 place exists. So at first you have to write 1 and we have to give now 30. 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3. That means 30. That means 889 by 1000 is the fractional form of 0.889. Now, and 0.895 is equal to, we have to write 895 as numerator, and in denominators we have to give 1 at first and then have to give 30, because after decimal sign here 3 places exist, 1, 2, 3, 10, 20 and 30. So 895 by 1000 is the fractional form of 0.895. So answer will be 881 divided by 1000, 889 by 1000 and 895 by 1000. Dear students, we have finished our B number question. Now we have solved C number question. Express the expression 2 as decimal. In expression 2 there some fractional number given and we have to convert it into decimal. C number. Given decimal, given fractions are 3 by 10, another one is 27 by 100 and another one is 341 by 1000. Now at first we have to convert 3 by 10 into decimal. Here at first we have to write the numerator. Here 3 is numerator, so we have to write 3. Now in denominators, after 1 here 10 exists, so we have to give decimal sign before one place of 3. That means in this place we have to give decimal sign. So 0.3 is the decimal form of 3 by 10. Now 27 by 100. At first we have to write numerator. Here numerator is 27. Now we have to put decimal sign. Here in denominators, after 1 here 20 exists. So we have to give decimal sign before 2 place and have to count from right side. That means 1, 2. Here we have to give decimal sign. 0.27 is the decimal form of 27 by 100. Now last number is 341 divided by 1000. Here numerator is 341, so at first you have to write 341. Now we have to put decimal sign. In denominators, after 1 here 30 exists, so we have to give decimal sign before 3 place of first place. That means we have to count from this place 1, 2, 3 and we have to give decimal sign here. So 0.341 will be the decimal form of 341 by 1000. So answer will be 0.3, 0.27 and 0.341. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.